Shalom.
You're not gonna like this.
What?
I just made a paper airplane and I just threw it. I'm on the 6th floor. I threw it out and I'm pretty sure it's coming right for you, man.
What? Really?
Do you have any like relatives or someone you can stay with? It's far away from here, like your Uncle Ron. He built that he built that bomb shelter, remember? Like 10 years ago. You could stay in that.
Wait, Ron? I thought that was your uncle.
It's just bad. I don't know. I'm not sure which way it's going, but I think it's going towards you. Every time you move, it moves and it's following you. We've had so many good times together. Remember that time when we were kids? We were in my grandma's and we were fishing for crawdads and you actually caught one, man. I was so impressed with you.
Yeah, I remember your grandma's and the crawdad. It was so big. I couldn't eat it. You remember we had to share one.
This is camp. I was looking forward to it so much. And then one time we went to the zoo. And all the tigers were sleeping. So where's all the cats?
Where are the cats? Why, Chris?
Why did I do this?
I don't remember that one. Why, Chris? Why did you do that?
Why did I do that?